Oh my goodness, guys. Grabe. Sobrang worth it ng 350 because this ice cream right here, it cost me 350 pesos. As you can see, maliit lang siya. It's from Adam's. Seriously good ice cream. And I told myself, sabi ko, it better be good kasi ang mahal. As in, sobrang sarap. Tapos, I also ordered my favorite cookie nibblers from Mrs. Fields. Ito yung favorite kong cookie sa Mrs. Fields. As in, sobrang sarap talaga. Oh, love it. I got some packages, guys. So, ito galing sa Keds. They sent over a pair of the classic white champion. Wow. And I think I'm gonna wear that today or tonight. Thank you so much, Keds. And then we have a package also from Cathy Doll. Dalawa na yung pillow ko na ganyan. And then, may mga makeup stuff over here. Pero, I'll open that later on since we have to get ready for Bea's Christmas dinner. Open natin. Ooh, may candy pa. Wow, thank you. Ito yung parang candy. Ano yan? Made in candy. And then these, oh my gosh, ang ganda. Very classic. Love it. Currently doing my makeup, guys, and I'm using my silly sponge that I got from Calm Cosmetics. I'll have the link in the information box. Hindi ko pa siya nare-review, pero I'll review it soon. Second time ko na siya nagamit eh. This is like the second time. Si Wifey, pupunta na siya dito in a bit since sabay kaming dalawa pumunta sa bahay ni Bea. Here's my makeup, guys. Ito yung ginamit kong eyelashes from Pro Studio Beauty Exclusives. Sobrang favorite ko to, guys. It's from Glambox, yung beauty studio sa Makati. This is what it looks like on the eyes. Ayan, tapos ang ginagamit kong contact lens ngayon is from Air Optics Pure Hazel. Sobrang ganda niya. It looks very natural, diba? Tapos yung lip color ko is the one that I used in Singapore, Sigma Pink, in the shade of Sigma Pink. Power Stick siya. So, it's a lipstick. Sobrang pigmented niya. Kaya ang ginawa ko, nag-spread na lang ako using a Q-tip. Kasi nga sobrang, sobrang kapal. Ayan. Tapos for the eyeliner, ito yung ginamit ko. It's from K-Palette. Disney, ano siya? Cinderella. Pero I think it's not available pa sa stores. Pero siguro soon. Nice, no? Cinderella. Cute. Ito yung itsura niya. It's a blue pen. Pak na pak. Love it. So here's my outfit for the dinner tonight. Sobrang simple lang. And since sobrang inis ako sa baby hairs ko, I need to wear my cat ears. Ewan ko. I like it so much. I'm wearing this romper from Forever 21. Cardigan. And then the shoes I have here is from Keds. Kaka-padala lang nila yan kanina. Love it. Very comfy. Wifey! So she's redoing her makeup kasi I love your top. Forever 21?
No.
Saan?
Okay.
Ang cute, promise.
Thank you.
Very unique. Ayan. So, punta kami later kila Bay.
Nag-narrate ka ba nag-makeup ako?
Magkwento ka nga. Ay, wifey. Ayan yan. Bumili siya ng
Maybelline Dream Velvet.
ba't ka
Soft
bumili?
Matte
Nga pala.
Hydrating
Ba't ka bumili, joke?
Bumili ako kasi yung foundation ko kanina medyo hindi ko type. Medyo. Kasi naka-glasses ako kanina sa office. Tapos nakatanggal yung dito.
Yeah. Tapos kagabi, hinabot ka ng aso. Hinabot sila ni Mishka ng aso. Wait, ano issue?
Pardon?
So, first time ni Wifey magkakain sa bahay ni Bay. We do this annually. Sobrang sarap lagi. As in, inaabangan namin lagi yung corned beef na, ay, girl. Pag naisip mo corned beef, ano yung naisip mo? Diba yung yung corned beef na, diba? Diba?
Dilata.
Iba ang corned beef ng Via Maria, promise. Almost ready. Hi, Bay! Bay! Ayan. Put the food! Kailan tayo last na ganito, Bay? Last year? Birthday mo. Kaya pala parang recent year. Yumminess. Go, go, wifey, go lang. Ito yung girl. Tadan! Okay. Yummy! Ayan si Joyce, si Tasha, and si Abby! Mga friends si Bay. Alis na si Joycey, pero thank you, Joyce's gift.
See you on 27.
Ay, oo nga pala. Oh, yan. We're talking about vagina.
And family.
Yeah. Nasha-shock sa akin si Abby. Abby, are you okay?
Grabe, okay lang ako.
Tawa kami ng tao dahil kay Abby. Abby, lumayas ka, Abby! It's funny, anyway. Hindi mo mag-vlog.
Nagbablot ka? Lumayas ka! Ay. Uy, nakakapigil mo talaga. Nakakapigil mo talaga. Pag ano, lumayas ka.
Lumayas ka! Baka ka na naman? Lumayas ka! Hi, Abby! Elise, you're so fat! Oh, baby, you're so fat!
Anak ni Sparky.
Ang taba niya, girl!
Anak ni Sparky.
Ay, shit, ang kitang cheeks niya!
Tabo.
Ang taba! Ay, baby! Ay, shit!
Sus, nag-hayan sa...
Ang bait ako! Ang taba niya, babe!
Uy, nalalambing sa'yo.
Ang taba niya, shit! Ang cute!
Pahawak sa'yo.
Try niya mag-surf.
Mishka! Oh my gosh, ang cute! Mishka! Hey, baby! Oh, so cute! Oh my gosh, she's so cute! Mishka!
Wait, ito na lang.
Mishka! Oh my gosh, ang
Oh
cute
my
niya,
God.
girl! Say hi to the cat. Oh, baby. Hi, baby. Hey. Oh, baby. You're so cute. We're with Mishka. Oh my God, you're so cute, baby. I know you love me. I love you too. Mishka? Oh, don't smell my bag, baby.
She
Look
likes
at the
that.
camera.
She likes bags.
She's very maligalig.
Ano ginawa?
Nasa likod.
Sobrang comfortable yung Keds ko kagabi. I wore it yesterday. Medyo nadumihan siya ng konti pero okay lang. Nabinyagan na rin siya. Pero grabe, sobrang comfy niya. Tapos, a bunch of packages came kagabi. This one is a gift from Shopback. Look at this, guys. They sent me Christmas balls. Sobrang cute. I'm gonna find a place to hang this somewhere. Sobrang cute. Oh my gosh, helicopter yun ah. Ayan oh my gosh, that's so cute. This one naman, parang sparkly gold. Tapos meron tayong yung gold sa loob. Thank you, Shopback! My first Christmas balls. Actually, wala akong Christmas tree this year. Ewan ko, baka humabol pa ako. I'm not really sure. And then, may dumating na package from Kilo Off. From my friends from Kilo Off. Thank you very much. Ito yung tinry namin before. Yung power drink and then yung liquid drink. And then, dumating na yung packages ko from Zalora. I ordered a power bank which came with a free cable. Tapos, socks. Yogini headbands. Delicious diet. I'm gonna go post a photo on Instagram. These are the food for today. Ang sarap tingnan. Oh my gosh. And usually, I don't follow yung breakfast, lunch, dinner. Kung ano lang yung gusto kong kainin ko for breakfast, yun yung kinakain ko. So, this one. Ang ganda ng power bank, guys. Ang cute ang lagayan niya, oh. And, mas maliit na siya. So, yay!
No, that's not the case. You're tremendous. I'm telling you, without hesitation, I'm not going anywhere.
So today, I'm wearing this shirt which was given to me by Joyce. Thank you, Joyce. I love it. Kasya naman sa akin. Medyo fit lang ng konti, pero I love it. It says US Army on the boob area. So today is a casual day. I have a meeting at 3 p.m. and then I have an OB appointment at 4. Hindi ko pa nasabi sa vlog, pero I've been getting anti-cervical cancer shots. I'm not really sure kung ano yung name nung ano, pero yun yung ano, ini-endorse nila Maxine Magalona ba yun? Anyway, so last night, we were at Bea's house, diba? And we were talking, si Bea merong friend na doctor, and we were talking about the anti-cervical cancer shot. Kasi diba, parang siyang vaccine, whatever, anti-cervical cancer. So, I was asking kung itong shot na to, is it really good for you? Or is it, you know, it would make you more prone to cancer. So, wala, nag-usap lang kami kagabi. Parang, yun nga kung ano yung ini-inject sa'yo and all of that and all of that. So, sobrang bongga lang na I learned a lot of stuff from Bea's doctor friend. So, bongga-bongga yun. We had so much fun last night. And then, JM and I and Wifey, we ate sa Paris house sa may Makati. Lovers in Paris, ba tama ba? Sobrang sarap. Actually, hindi siya parang si kinain namin. We ate lechon kawali. And then we picked up Mishka on the way home. So I got to hug Mishka. Pero I got really red. Feel ko medyo allergic ako kay Mishka. Pero sobrang cute niya, promise. Super cute. I got a lot of kisses, ganyan. So, yun, I had a good night. We actually went home mga 6 a.m. Oh, let me tell you about my skincare routine. So, I think I hauled, diba? Yeah, from Yves Rocher, yung binili kong favorite kong facial wash. And then I have the clarifying toner over here. I've been using it kasi nga gusto kong makikita kung mag-minimize yung pores ko. And then, yung Yves Rocher Youth Reactivating Eye Care, sobrang love it. Like, kagabi, I really wanted to sleep na. Pero sabi ko, kailangan ko mag-skincare. And then, I did not skip anything. Ito yung moisturizer ko, which is the water from Aven. Pagising ko, ay girl, yung face ko, oh my gosh, love that. So anyway, let's do our makeup. Yung mga damit ko kagabi, full of Mishka hair. And I kept on sneezing when I woke up kasi lumapit ako sa mga damit. Ang daming buhok. So, kailangan kong i-wash yung dresses or yung damit mamaya. Sobrang addict na ako sa Drop Dead Diva. Like, I have it playing all the time, kahit na nakikinig lang ako. Then, what I used to... Damp Body Blender. I know it's too big for the face, pero ewan ko. When I started using it kasi, sabi ko, ay, bongga to. Also, I think it's time to address your guys' questions, diba? I've been recently uploading vlogs. Sama kami ni Mark, ganyan. We've been having fun, you know, eating, going out again. We're taking it slow, you know? Yun lang. All I know is I'm happy, we're happy. And things just really fall into place in time. Ayun. Grabe. This year was such a learning year for me. You have no idea kung ano ko. Basta, grabe. But, it's all good now. And I'm really excited for next year. Done with my makeup. Love it. I'm wearing Jake's Mayuga Happy Skin. And then this is my outfit. Casual. I'm gonna wear my kids' classic champions. Tama ba? Oh my gosh, guys. 680 papunta ng MOA. Wow. Now here at the Medical City sa Mall of Asia, I'm just waiting for my turn. I'm gonna get my second shot of the anti-cervical cancer shot. I forgot na kung anong tawag sa kanya, pero second shot. We get 3 shots every time. So comment down in the comment box below kung nakapagawa na kayo ng shot na gano'n. So, yeah. We have Filipino movie. And I'm gonna read the newspaper. Ow!
Wala po.
Oh my gosh, ang sakit! Ah!
Wala pa nga eh.
Ouch! It hurts!
Sorry. It's a smaller needle. Kasi inunahan kita. Kaya...
Yan yung gamot, guys. So, if gusto niyo magpakuha niyan, I know siya recommended for women anong age?
9 years old or not.
Guys, there's a super crazy sale sa Forever 21. Buy one, get one. Tama ba? And then, I have a couple of clothes that I wanna try out. I'm with my sister. Kakagaling sa office. Kakain kami dito sa Dotonbori. This is actually a place sa Japan. Bongga, no? Okonomiyaki experience. Saan mo ito nakita sa... Ganda. It's so small. Meron silang restroom. Tapos, look at these. Yung mga decorations or mga ano sa loob. So cute. Yes. Meron silang walkway dito. It's so cool. Meron pa mga seats over here.
Dito, dito, immigration na.
Tapos itong walkway. Ang cute. Tignan nyo. Yung mirror. Kala mo ang laki. Cute. Ito kami upo. Oh, pwede mag-grill. Ah, okay. Dito lulutuin niyo ako ng yakisa. Okay, cool. Super cool. Okay, nagpalit ako ng battery kasi lowbat na ako. Anyway, ayan. Kaya pala parang, good for 4 yung video. So, after niisip, tignan ko yung menu. We have more parang condiments dito. Mainit na siya, no? Here's the menu, guys. Talking about yung menu. Ang grabe yung mga pagkain nila. Shocks. Gusto ko orderin lahat. So, pwede kayong sarili magluto. So, we ordered okonomiyaki. Ay, gosh. We ordered ang dami nilang klase eh. This one, 4 cheese okonomiyaki, 290 pesos. Pero ang dami pa nilang iba-iba pa. There. Kayo bahala kung anong gusto nyo dyan. Tapos, may yakisoba. May cool. Wow, may okonomiyaki na may ano sa taas. Yakisoba. That's nice. They have monjayaki. Ano ba yun? Whatever that is. Tapos, nag-order ako ng yakiniku. I ordered the garlic Angus loin steak because I'm really hungry. The rice, a set. Nagkasama siyang rice and a miso soup. Tonpei steak. Oh my goodness, girl. Sarap lahat. Yeah, fried rice. We have don, salmon don, blah 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 don. Babla don. We have ramen. May ramen sila. Ayan. Dessert. We're gonna try that later. And then meron silang instructions kung paano kung magluluto ng okonomiyaki by yourself. I'm using my new power bank from Zalora. Bavin, 18,000 mAh. Love it. And then may indicator kung ilang percent lang natitira. There, 99. That's so cool.
Pwede ba sa'yo po yung oil? Sa taas.
Okay, my oil. My sister ordered the chicken what?
Chicken Taipei steak.
Si ate magluluto kasi gutom na kami. Hi, ate! Mainit na talaga yung grill, no? Pagbuko ko lang namin, mainit na siya agad. Mahina yung signal dito. Wala kayong wifi, no? Sa picture mo sa? Sa picture mo yun? And then I can lift stuff with my
Wala na
left
po.
arm. 4 cheese yan. Yum!
Pinahas na lang po, sorry, ako na may ati sauce, bonito powder, and then
Oo.
wala pa rin na po nila yung
Pero ito lang yung nakita ko na parang sa harap mo niluluto.
Japanese wings.
Yeah.
And this one po is the beef powder.
Ay, sarap niya.
And then the last one po is the dried seafood po. How many slices po po?
6 din.
May pending orders pa po tayo.
Wala.
Turn up ka na.
Guys, sobrang sarap ng Angus beef. Oh my gosh, it's so tender, so buttery, so garlicky. Love it. Perfect with the rice. Tapos yung okonomiyaki namin, ang sarap. OMG. Meron silang umbrella na pwede mong gamitin for photos. Ayan, we're done. Done with Mall of Asia. Uwi na kami. I mean, yeah. Hello. Uy, may banda. Ang ganda talaga na pinapakita ng laptop ko every time. I love it. This is a sign we should go to the beach, guys. Malapit ng summer. Grabe, it's December 24. Lapit na ng Christmas. Pardon my haggard face. Naantok na ako, girl. Okay, let's open it up. Milky Way Fantasy. Ooh, wow. Water sleeping mask. We love this stuff. I remember yung una nilang event. Ay, iba na yung ang ganda ng packaging. Before it used to be like just the blue jar. Ngayon, wow. Then we have two-tone shadow bar, two-tone lip bar, two-tone lip bar. Okay, shadow bar and lip bar. Wow. I'll do another video on that kasi nga, masyadong okay, holiday edition pala. Bongga. You know, usually it's during the holidays na nagpapadala ng madaming stuff ang mga PR. So thank you so much mga PR. And then I got a package from Unilever. Thank you Unilever. Wow, wait lang, may letter pala dito. And usually sobrang gusto ko talaga yung mga padala ng Unilever kasi something na alam mo manggamit mo, household stuff, ganyan. Hold on. Dear Say, wishing you a joyous Christmas. Aww. Thank you, Unilever. So, they sent me this one. Isang bag. Tapos, okay, pakita ko yung laman ng loob. We have liquid detergent! Yay! Kapag magla-laundry ako, bongga yan. You can use that. Surf. We have Domex for the toilet. Always a plus to have household stuff here. Tapos, we also have a bunch of stuff. We have Eskinol, Pond's, Acne Control, shampoo, from Silk Dove, Tresemme Axe. Ooh, close up. Wow, yung diamond na Oh, I love it. Yay! Thank you so much, Unilever. So anyway, guys, that's it for the vlog today. I'm wishing all of you a Merry Christmas. By the time na ma-upload ko tong vlog na to, siguro, December 24. Yeah, December 24. So I'm gonna go edit na and then I'll see you tomorrow.